What's up, folks? I'm Don. This is Rockin' the Country. You saw the title, Confederate Railroad song, Redneck Romeo. And it was requested by Leland Cross. So Leland, thank you. And if I haven't formally welcomed you to the channel, welcome to the channel. Confederate Railroad, Redneck Romeo. I can't even imagine what they're going to come up with. Started out as expected.
He wears old spice. He got fuzzy ties hanging from the rear view mirror of his four-wheel drive. Yeah, he's GQ. He can do more with cheap polyester than Calvin Klein and drinks Falstaff. He got 27 ball caps. He wears a different one every night. He'll
I got that many.
He's a lover when he ain't picking a fight. He's a redneck Romeo. He thinks he's Elvis in a picture show. Silver chains but a heart of gold. Lord, got to love his style.
I'm still stuck on the line where, like, he says he's a lover when he's not picking a fight. Shit. Oh, fuck. I don't know why they hit me so hard. The whole thing, Old Spice, polyester suits, dice on the mirror. Holy crap.
A classic country Casanova thinks all the girls are crazy over him. Everywhere that neon glows, you'll find a redneck Romeo. He's a Romeo.
I bet they get their fair share,
He's got
too.
100 keys hanging off his jeans. He knows they fit something, but he don't know what. He's no cheap date. Spend his whole paycheck buying drinks and playing that jukebox out on the floor. He ain't no square. He's a romancing, slow dancing, Fred Astaire.
There you go.
Real cream in his hair. Ladies stand in line. He's a redneck Romeo. He thinks he's Elvis in a picture show. Silver chains, but a heart of gold. Lord, you got to love his style. A classic country Casanova thinks all the girls are crazy over him. And everywhere
Most
that
guys do.
neon glows, you'll find a redneck Romeo. He's in a class all by himself. Thinks there ain't nobody else like him. But everywhere that neon glows, you'll find a redneck Romeo. Yeah, he's a redneck
He's describing some guys in Brooklyn, not just redneck.
Oh, I like that bouffant, buddy.
The bouffant.
How'd you get it to stand that high?
Yeah, it's bouffant. He used Brill cream. That's what he said. It wasn't Brill cream. Yeah, I used that when I was little. I think my parents put it in my hair sometimes. Wasn't that the stuff in the hair? But in the end there, if you couldn't pick up on it because it was already on the slow fade, they talked about, he said, oh, that bouffant. And then you wonder what's the time period this is set in. But man, the way he described it, I could tell you, I know some boys up here in the 70s and 80s, certainly, that would, in Brooklyn, in New York, that would have fit them. Maybe Staten Island and parts of Jersey too, but I don't know, that's just a funny song. I don't know what you leave on the cutting room floor on that thing, but I love the part where he said, like, he thinks that all the women are, he's like a country Casanova, and he thinks that all the women like are crazy over him. And it's funny, as a young man, you think that, even though very few of them ever say yes to you, you still think they will. And somehow in your brain, that means like they all want me, and they don't. Leland Cross, that was fun, man. That was a good suggestion. I mean, Confederate Railroad, they're just fun. They're good. Up tempo, not too up tempo. I wonder if they let the dogs run a bit, what that would sound like. It might start to sound like Skinner, You need another guitarist or two, but yeah, it'd be more going into, Southern rock versus, country rock or rock country. All right, I'm going to rate that song. That was fun. I had tears in my eyes at one point, just the way I could picture this guy. I could totally picture this guy. God, I'm coming in with an 8.6. It was just a fun freaking song. So that's it. All right, guys, subscribe if you haven't. Help the channel out. Leave your comments. Do what you do. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country.